overheating, coolant overheating, gas empty, battery.
That's not empty.
Oh my god. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sunday and we are headed to a Jax Wax car meet here in Lexington. So stay tuned because there are about to be a lot of cool cars and some good donuts. So I'm excited for that. We're in the Starbucks line right now about to get, I don't even know. Leave y'all's favorite drink down in the comments below. I want to hear what you all, if you all go to Starbucks, leave your all's favorite drink down below. I'm really interested to see because I want to try something new. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started on some shots. So guys, enjoy these clips of the first round of Jax Wax car meet. Well guys, so we're here at Jax Wax now. James is actually going to be here today, surprisingly. You know, this is going to be his first car meet on the channel, so give him some love and support. Welcome him to the car meets. Like, he's bringing out something special. He's got a surprise for you all. James in the Corvette. Yeah. James about to whip it if he doesn't hit a car. So you're going the wrong way.
I don't really care. Oh, thank you. I could spin these tires so much right here.
Yeah, not on his lot. And then you just blow a head gasket.
You want me to spin the tires right here?
We got people videoing. And then the brakes.
Oh, this will spin right here. That's how rich it is. Yeah,
do the turn signals work?
Yeah.
Oh, nice little Sunday cruise to the T-top.
Can I cut through there?
I don't know. We could try and see what happens. Oh my god. God. Dude. Holy shit. Your RPMs went like, oh, they were, bruh.
Yeah, I think if I go that way, no. I don't know where I'm at.
I don't know either.
Well, do you know where we are?
No, not really. I'm just enjoying my refresher.
Is it refreshing?
It's very refreshing.
Do you like that tire spin though?
I was just waiting for the trans to go.
Dude, you missed all that smoke that came out. Oh, I know where we are. Yeah, the ice skating rink's right here.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Man, I haven't ice skated forever. I don't do it anymore.
I don't either.
For a reason.
Well, at least we know the tires are nice and warm down.
Yeah, I mean, the handling on it's tight.
Yeah, it's not as tight as it used to be.
I just mean on the turns, you know, it doesn't have a lot of roll to it.
Where did the front part of the car go? I don't know. Alright, that's cool. That's what I should have done. I should have red bombed it.
Dude, Lambo doors on the Mustang.
Oh, let's go.
No, bruh. No.
I know I'm going the wrong way, but I don't care.
Oh, that's all good. You can back it in if you have to.
Where are we backing it at?
I guess it's wherever. I mean, I don't care.
Oh yeah, it's pretty much over.
Pretty much. I mean, you could even go up here and swing around if you wanted. Just go in front of the bike and then swing around so you go the right way. Well, James, what do you have to say about just like demolishing this car? Oil overheating, coolant overheating, gas empty, battery.
Wait, what?
Dead.
That's not empty. That's not overheating. I mean, is it? No, that's temperature.
They don't work, sir.
That's battery voltage.
They don't
we're a little
work.
high on.
Sir, they don't work.